What up, y'all? It's your girl JC, back at it again, back at it again with another video. As you can see the title below, we about to color me blue, baby. Ice, baby. Basically like this color, so y'all wasn't supposed to see this. Like, you know, we running a little behind schedule. I need to catch y'all up. So like the first week I posted a new video after like months. The next week I got into an accident and I totaled my car. But whatever, because like the week before I was just like saying that I wanted a new one. Whatever, I'm looking at the brighter side of things and I'm just glad that I'm alive. Like, cause it was a crazy accident. Like, it was crazy. Like, crazy. Like, I could really see. I was like, breathe and break, breathe and break. You know, like, thank God I meditate. Like, cause meditation be getting me through. Meditation be getting me through roller coasters, accidents, all that good stuff. So this video is about to be me coloring the wig that I unboxed in the previous video. So if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and click the link. I'm have it here. Go ahead and click the link and watch that video and see, like, you know, some details about the wig and like all the beauty supplies that I bought. So go ahead and check that out. If you haven't, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this video as well. All right, y'all. If y'all want to see me dip dye this wig and learn how to do it, go ahead and keep watching. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now, because why are you not? Why are you not? All right, you did that? Good. Let's go ahead and get into this video. Let's get into this hair coloring. I got this 12-inch 13x4 lace frontal in 613, and we're going to make her ice blue, baby. Here I have the Wonderlace Bond adhesive spray. I'm going to take that and spray it all over the lace so when I dip dye it, the lace doesn't get colored. Now I'm filling up the sink with lukewarm water to this line in my sink, which makes it about a third full. Then I add some purple shampoo because we're going to tone this thing and get all the unwanted brassiness out. Make sure to put a generous amount. I like to use the spray nozzle to mix the shampoo into the water thoroughly. And now it's time to dip, baby, dip. Dip, baby, dip that wig into the solution and watch it work its magic. I ended up leaving this in to soak for a bit, but kept an eye on it the whole time so it didn't get too light and turn purple on you, girl, because we don't want that. So this is how she looking after her little soak or whatever. Pretty nice, pretty nice. You can see a slight tint of purple, but we be alright, we be alright. Now, time for the fun part. We're going to be using this Allure powder blue color. I got a mixing bowl and filled it halfway with water. Then we're going to take the color and pour that right into the bowl. Not all of it. You want to go slow so you get the desired color and then mix it together like so. Go ahead and fill up the sink again. You can now see the line I was talking about earlier. And just pour the solution in there and mix it in. And now we dip again. So I went ahead and put the wig into 3 sections and dipped 1 section at a time so the color comes out evenly, because we do not want any splotchiness around here. Next section. And last section. Make sure to compare sections. You want that thing to match. Now I'm dipping it all in, giving it one last little I decided to actually add some more color to the water because I wanted it a little more blue. Here I'm trying to avoid dipping the ends because they take easier and I want the color to be as even as possible. Now that I have achieved that desired color, it's time to wash the wig. Since the wig is wavy, I'm going to use this coconut co-wash from As I Am. Check out my review for this product. I'll have it tagged here. I actually love the co-wash and leave-in, but mostly the co-wash. Mix it up thoroughly. It's a little on the thicker side and you don't want any chunks left in your wig's hair. Now gently dip your wig into the co-wash water and wave it around. And after all that, let it soak for about 5 minutes. Once that time passes, you want to let the water out and rinse the wig with lukewarm to cold water. Now let's set up conditioner water. After that's done, you want to go ahead and set up some lukewarm conditioner water. I'm using this Garnier Whole Blends Revitalizing Conditioner. It smells pretty good. I got it at CVS with one of my weekly 40% off coupons. Sign up so you can get this weekly deal because it's definitely worth it. I love it. Now we're going to repeat the process we did with the co-wash, then we're all set. Next up is plucking, so stay tuned for that video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video. All right, y'all, so that was the video. How was it? Please let me know in the comments down below. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all learned something. Like, let me know if y'all learned something. Like, what did y'all learn? Like, did you find out something that you didn't know before, or are there any tips that you can give me on what I didn't do? Like, let me know what's up, because I am always willing to learn new things and, you know, get better at my craft, because why not? Why not get better? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I know I've said that a million times, but like, yes, like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you're following your dreams. And I just want to thank you. Oh, I wanna say thank you for watching my YouTube videos and staying loyal and liking them and subscribing to my channel. Hey, if you know that song that I was just like referencing, shouts out to you, because I sang that for my like middle school promotion. Yeah, that was tight. This girl suggested the song. I'm sorry, Shawty, but she suggested the song, and then we like both auditioned, and then I got it. And yeah, I'm sorry, Shawty. Hey, I've won a couple of things, so like, what the oh, excuse my language. But yeah, let me know if y'all like want some covers. Okay, have a good one. Have a good night. It's nighttime for me in LA, in these streets. Hey. Just kidding. Okay, y'all, I gotta go. I hope y'all liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out. Peace, love, and hairs crease. And make sure you like them baby ears, lip gloss, lashes done, nails polished. You know what's good.